We see a family enjoying a relaxing evening at home. Narrator, have you ever experienced a musty smell in your basement or noticed condensation on your windows? If so, you're not alone. Excess humidity in your home can lead to mold growth, musty odors, and even respiratory issues. But fear not, because we have the perfect solution for you, the AEOCKY Max 80 Pint Smart CompressorDehumidifier. Features: Narrator, this energy-efficient dehumidifier is designed for spaces up to 4,500 square feet, making it perfect for basements, bedrooms, bathrooms, and more. Whether you're battling high humidity levels or trying to prevent moisture-related issues, this dehumidifier is the answer to all your problems. Improvement projects. Narrator, the AEOCKY dehumidifier is not just for homeowners, but also renters looking to improve the air quality in their living spaces. With its intelligent humidistat and smart compressor technology, it automatically adjusts to maintain the perfect humidity level in your home. In their basement, Narrator, one of the main benefits of this dehumidifier is its efficiency. With a standard 56 pint per day capacity, and the ability to remove up to 80 pints per day in extreme conditions, you can trust that this dehumidifier will get the job done, no matter the circumstances. Dehumidifier in action. Narrator, whether you're dealing with a damp basement, a humid bathroom, or a musty bedroom, the AEOCKY dehumidifier is your go-to solution. Its easy-to-use controls and hassle-free setup make it perfect for anyone looking to improve the air quality in their home. The market. Narrator, when it comes to performance and reliability, the AEOCKY dehumidifier stands out from the competition. Its Energy Star 2025 certification ensures that you're getting a product that is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. Plus, with a convenient drain hose included, you can say goodbye to the hassle of emptying the water tank regularly. Narrator, but don't just take our word for it. Listen to what some of our satisfied customers have to say about their AEOCKY dehumidifier. Customer 1, since I started using the AEOCKY dehumidifier, I've noticed a significant improvement in the air quality in my home. I no longer wake up with a stuffy nose or irritated throat. Customer 2, I love how easy this dehumidifier is to use. It's been a game changer for my basement, which used to feel damp and musty. Cut to the call-to-action. Narrator, so why wait any longer to improve the air quality in your home? Order your AEOCKY Max 80 Pint Smart CompressorDehumidifier today and experience the difference for yourself. Say goodbye to musty odors and hello to a healthier, more comfortable living space. Make the smart choice and choose AEOCKY.